Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is our Daisee Bowling. So look, we have managed all these bottles. Also football here. There are the 7 participants, 7 competitors. Here is Mr. Taha, Shahir, Bilawal, Tazim, Hassan, Sameer and Abdullah. So the first player is Abdullah. Abdullah, come to the point. Yes, he will first ball here. From here to look, this is a good distance. Okay, man. Now, please throw the ball. Oh, you don't know how you will play, man. Start now. The Abdullah will throw the ball. Oh, but he throw it. Okay, so this is the competitor Sameer. Now he will throw the ball here. Okay, man, throw the ball, please. Oh, how many?
Sir, 5 left.
5 left.
And 5 gone.
Oh, 5 gone. 4 left, man. 5 left, yes. This is Hassan. Hassan is the new bowler. Now he will bowl to the bottles. Okay. So this is a Daisee Bowling. Okay. Sandman, throw the ball.
Sir,
Oh no, he throw the wrong ball. Hurry up, hurry up. Is it okay? And this is now new Mr. Tazim. Now he will bowl here. Okay, man. Tazim, please throw the ball. No, he is also fail. He cannot get success. Now the new bowler is Mr. Bilawal. He will throw the ball. Okay, Mr. Bilawal, please throw the ball. Oh, good. But he also 5. Okay, manage, please. So the next bowler is Mr. Shahir. Okay, Shahir. Now he will throw the ball when I will say, okay, man, throw the ball, please. Oh, but he 4 or 5? 4, oh no. And the new bowler is Mr. Mahataha. Now he will throw the ball. Okay, man. Okay, throw, please. Oh, he tried good, but his ball was very slow. He only 3 point got. I will start. I will throw the ball. Okay. Now capture there, man. Close also.